Hey everyone, it's Lindsay from My Crafty Plants. Today I have a really fun video. So Simply Gilded a few weeks ago did a random like mystery box bag pull sale where you could order like a random assortment of washies, and there was a few different sizes. There was like the jumbo boxes that were like $150. I didn't grab that, but I did grab one of like the grab bags for sale, and I have not opened mine yet. It just came in the mail today, so I thought it would be fun if we unboxed it together on camera and we could see my initial first reactions. I always love filming the unboxing videos for the 12 Days of Christmas one, but since mine came so late this year and then was kind of disappointing, I was like craving another unboxing video. So I thought it would be fun if we just went ahead and unboxed this together. So if you want to see that, stay tuned. So I grabbed the Winter Blues one, which was the largest of the grab bags, and it came inside a leather pouch. The description was like, I think 9 washies inside a leather pouch with one other leather accessory, but it was whatever the largest of the washi packs was, that wasn't like the jumbo box, and I just thought that would be fun to get, and they were on sale, and so yeah, so I have not opened this up at all yet, but it did come in this light blue leather pouch. This is definitely from a sub box. I don't remember which sub box this is from, but I have this in my collection of pouches. I love these pouches, so I'm like not mad to have a repeat or anything like that, and I figured that going in that they were going to be mostly from the like old sub boxes, and I do really like the pouches, which is why I picked this one over one of the other packs of washi. So I am excited to see what washis are in here. I don't remember how much this was, but I will like put it across the screen, and there was like a few different options size wise. So it comes in packaged up in here, and okay, so there's the pouch that it came with, and it's got, I can see right on top, it's got a sticky note from a fairly recent Simply Gilded box. So a bunch of the washies just fell out while I was doing that. So this is, I thought it had like another leather accessory, but I guess it was another box item, because this is just like a sticky note from the pack. And honestly, these are like probably my least favorite foiled sticky notes ever from a Simply Gilded box. I find that one, they look like they're printed a little bit off center, although some of this stuff was allowed to be misfit, but two, I just like don't really use this one that much. And it is really pretty. It's like blue and rose gold and stuff, but it's just not my most used one or anything, but I do really like Simply Gilded sticky notes in general. And then it does have a journaling card in here, which is like this little swan with silver foil. That's really cute, and I don't really like birds, but that is really cute. I do like the vibes on that. And then it is like a little bit banged up though from being packaged in with the washi. And then here are the washis that I got. So I have this really cute silver bow washi that's got like, it's like a bright blue washi with white stars and then a silver bow. That's really, really cute. And I have no idea when that's from, and that is not a washi I have, so that is fun. And then this one is like a snowflake and deer washi. This is not my personal cup of tea. I feel like my camera is not focusing really well right now. This is not my personal cup of tea, but it is a cute winter washi. I will probably try and destash or gift that one along. And then this is a really old washi from a really old sub box, and I do have this washi already, but it's like a really cute rose gold and anchor one, and I feel like I probably use that like once a year when the kit is right. And then here is like a winter village one, so that's super cute, and I do really like that. That's nice, and I don't have that. And then a confetti that's like a confetti dot one that's like a really bright blue with silver foil, also really pretty, and I don't have that one. And then this is this is 2 header washis. It's white with like a blue foil line bow, and then dark blue with a silver foil line bow. If you've been on my channel at any amount of time, you'll know that I don't really go for all like non-gold, silver, rose gold hollow foils, so I don't really like that one, and I don't really like white washis either, but I do really like that blue and silver. And the header washis, like the 6.5 millimeter washis, are actually some of my favorites, and I use them as headers in my planner or just use them as washi all the time. And then this is a pack of washi from a really recent sub box, so I definitely have this, and this looks super familiar. I don't remember which sub box this is from, but it is really recent, but I do really like 5 millimeter washis, so that is the washis that I got. And I think, that's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that's 11 washies. I don't know how they count like the little ones versus the big ones. And like I said, I don't remember. Oh wait, actually there's like a bunch more washies in here. Just kidding. There's like 4 more washies in here. I don't remember. I think that probably each pack counts as one. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So there's 11 washies. Again, I don't remember the exact details on this, but I will put it across the screen, and hopefully I already did. So this is from a 4th of July wreath like 2 or 3 years ago, and I do have this. It's like blue, bright blue with silver, and I think where's that? Oh no, that's a darker blue. So it's a really bright blue, and that is pretty. And then, oh, that's so cute. And I don't have this one. And this is like a gingham blue print with silver foil. So I got a lot of silver foil, like mostly silver foil, a couple of gold things, but mostly silver foil, and a lot of like wintry blues. I wasn't sure when I ordered this if it was going to be like themed like the package, or if it was going to be completely random, because it was called Winter Blues and there was one like called Pinks and whatever, and I wasn't really sure what to expect going in. But this is certainly like, if you said here's an assortment of winter blue washies, these are definitely all like almost all blues. I think actually all of them have at least one blue in them. Yeah, so that's a very winter blue washi. I do think that it was true to the name and really cute. Just like a fun little thing to do. These were not expensive for the amount of washis you get, and like anything I don't want to use or don't need a duplicate of, I will go ahead and destash. But yeah, so that is everything for this quick little video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd love it if you'd subscribe and check me out on Instagram at mycraftyplans to keep up with everything going on in my planners. Bye.